Welcome to the world of yoga, where you can naturally enhance your strength and stamina through a dedicated practice. By incorporating specific asanas into your routine and focusing on mindful breath control, you can unlock your body's potential and experience remarkable improvements in physical endurance. Let's explore some key practices and recommended asanas for increasing strength and stamina naturally. Dynamic asanas for strength. Integrate dynamic asanas into your practice that engage multiple muscle groups and build strength. Poses such as Chaturanga Dandasana, four-limbed staff pose, warrior poses, Virabhadrasana I, II, and III, and plank pose target the arms, shoulders, core, and legs. Practice these asanas with proper alignment and engage your muscles actively to build strength throughout your body. Balancing asanas for stability. Include balancing poses to improve stability, which is essential for building strength and stamina. Asanas like tree pose, Vrikshasana, eagle pose, Garudasana, and warrior 3, Virabhadrasana 3, challenge your balance, engage the core, and strengthen the leg muscles. Gradually increase the duration and stability in these poses to enhance your overall strength. Core targeting asanas for stability and strength. Strengthening your core is vital for overall strength and stamina. Asanas like boat pose, Navasana, plank pose, and dolphin pose, Ardha Pincha Mayurasana, work on the abdominal muscles, lower back, and deep core stabilizers. Practice these poses regularly and engage your core muscles consciously for maximum benefit. Sun salutations for endurance. Sun salutations, Surya Namaskar, are flowing sequences that combine various asanas in a continuous and dynamic movement. They are excellent for building endurance and increasing cardiovascular activity. Incorporate sun salutations into your practice, maintaining a steady pace and linking your breath with each movement. Pranayama for breath control and stamina. In addition to asanas, incorporate pranayama techniques to enhance breath control and increase stamina. Techniques like Kapalabhati, skull shining breath, and Ujjayi pranayama, victorious breath, improve lung capacity, oxygen intake, and overall energy levels. Practice these breathing exercises during your yoga sessions to support your journey towards increased strength and stamina. Remember, the key to naturally increasing strength and stamina through yoga is consistency, proper alignment, and mindful engagement of your muscles. Gradually progress in your practice, listening to your body and honoring its limits. Consult with a qualified yoga instructor for personalized guidance and modifications based on your specific needs. Keep in mind that this description is informational, and it's always advisable to practice yoga under the guidance of a qualified instructor. They can provide you with detailed instructions, corrections, and modifications tailored to your individual needs and abilities. If you truly love this video and want to explore more serene and meditative journeys, I encourage you to subscribe to the Meditative Journeys channel. By subscribing, you'll stay connected and receive notifications whenever we release new content, allowing you to continue your journey towards peace, relaxation, and inner harmony. Don't miss out on the opportunity to join our community of like-minded individuals seeking tranquility and serenity. Subscribe to Meditative Journeys now and embark on a path of mindfulness and self-discovery.